Welcome to Product Scout.
Today, we're taking a close look at the EPOMAKER Aula WIN60 HE 60% wired magnetic keyboard. A feature-packed mechanical keyboard designed for high-performance gamers and professionals. Let's dive into what makes this keyboard stand out. The EPOMAKER Aula WIN60 HE is not just any keyboard. It's a revolutionary 60% ultra-compact keyboard designed with precision and performance in mind. It comes with Hall effect switches, which use magnetic sensors instead of physical contacts to detect key presses. This technology offers several advantages over traditional mechanical switches, such as reduced wear and tear, faster response times, and higher durability. When it comes to durability, magnetic switches are known for being far more reliable than conventional mechanical switches. The lack of physical contact points means there's less friction, which directly translates to a longer lifespan for each key press. In fact, these switches can last up to 100 million keystrokes, significantly outlasting traditional mechanical switches, which can wear out after much fewer presses. Now, let's talk performance. The WIN60 HE boasts an impressive 8000 Hz polling rate, which means it sends signals to your PC a staggering 8000 times per second. This results in ultra-low latency, making the keyboard incredibly responsive and ideal for fast-paced gaming. Particularly in FPS, first-person shooter, games where reaction time is critical. It even features 32 kHz scan rates, making it 8 times faster than most traditional gaming keyboards on the market. One of the standout features of this keyboard is the adjustable actuation point. With its Hall effect magnetic switches, you can customize the actuation distance between 0.08 mm to 3.4 mm, in 0.02 mm increments. This allows you to fine-tune the keyboard to your specific needs, whether you're looking for rapid key presses for gaming or precise typing for work. The max version of the WIN60 HE even offers more granular control with increments of just 0.01 mm, giving you the ultimate precision. The WIN60 HE is also built for versatility and customization. It features hot swappable switches, meaning you can easily change out the key switches without needing to solder anything. This is perfect for those who like to experiment with different switches or want to replace worn-out switches without buying a new keyboard. Another great feature is the stunning per-key RGB backlighting. With over 16.8 million colors to choose from, you can customize the lighting to match your style or even sync it with your game for an immersive experience. Whether you're setting the mood for a late-night gaming session or just want to add a personal touch to your workspace, the RGB lights are a fantastic bonus. As for the layout, the WIN60 HE features a 60% ANSI layout, making it compact and perfect for those who need a keyboard that takes up less desk space. This ultra-compact design allows for faster mouse movements and better ergonomics, particularly if you're in a competitive gaming environment where every millisecond counts. And if you're concerned about compatibility, don't be. The WIN60 HE works with multiple operating systems including Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and Linux, making it versatile for all your devices. Plus, it comes with a ULA's WebDriver software, which lets you customize settings and adjust parameters with ease. The build quality is top-notch with double-shot durable keycaps, meaning the legends on the keys are molded into the keycaps and won't fade over time. Whether you're typing for hours or playing intense gaming sessions, these keycaps will hold up. So, if you're looking for a high-performance, customizable, and durable keyboard, the EPOMAKER Aula WIN60 HE might just be what you need. Its Hall effect switches, adjustable actuation, ultra-low latency, and sleek design make it a perfect choice for gamers and professionals alike. That's it for today's review of the EPOMAKER Aula WIN60 HE. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.